Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Pinning comments on Instagram is a great way to highlight important messages, promotions, or replies you want your followers to see first. Let me walk you through exactly how to do this. Step 1. First, you need to open Instagram and navigate to one of your own posts. Go to your profile, find the post you want to pin a comment on, and make sure it's a post you actually created. Step 2. Now look at the comments section of that post. Scroll through and find the specific comment you want to pin to the top. This could be a comment from a follower, a brand partnership announcement, or anything else you want highlighted. Step 3. Once you've found the comment, tap and hold on it for a moment. A menu will pop up with several options available to you. Step 4. Look for the pin icon in that menu and tap it. This will pin the comment to the top of your comments section so it's the first thing people see when they look at that post. Step 5. You can manage your pinned comments anytime by revisiting the post and using the same tap and hold method. You can unpin comments, pin new ones, or swap them out whenever you want. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.